She chomping on them nuts.
All the hard work that I put in, I'ma make sure that it pay off. On the clock working like all day. Baby, I ain't taking no days off. Always felt like a misfit, so it makes sense when I straight off. Made me a plan, it took discipline. I took me a chance and I took off. Play weak when you strong in all the war. Gotta bet on yourself if you want more. All this hustle, what a nigga need luck for. I'ma shine for them nights that I hurt for. Just to ride this wave near the surfboard. I'ma kill 'em with success cause it hurt more. If you got it out the mud then it's worth more. Chasing bags at the state like I'm on tour. Get that money train coming and I'm on board. Had to make it through the rain when it starts storming.
Hey, they bringing the Raris out. Come on, the car. Let's get in our car.
You like that color?
It's alright. I would rather have like matte black or gray.
Facts.
You want to go get them?
Go.
You can get them.
At my house.
Oh.
Forgot them.
Alright, we about to head to North Market. Get us some snacky snack.
I want to try something different. So like we always get pho.
We always get the pho and ice cream.
Yeah.
So what now? Do they have anything?
I always get the is it the Italian food? I get the Italian food too. That Sparkle be getting a lot.
Oh, Sparkle, yeah,
the
she
salmon
does. Yeah,
and rice.
Is that Italian? She made it
I
seem
love
like
that
it was
spot.
maybe
It's
Indian.
Mediterranean.
Oh, yep, she did say Mediterranean one day.
It's Mediterranean.
Should we invite her?
We could.
She probably ain't gonna be able to get up and get out that quick, but we still gonna let her know.
She could. Dang, you listening to Wiz the Wizard right now.
Dang. Okay, unavailable.
That's a no.
I guess that's a no for joining us at the
That's
North
a hell
Market.
no.
I know you gonna watch this video, so you done missed out, Spank. You done missed out. We go to North Market, your favorite spot.
I need me some new masks, bro.
I got
This
makeup
mask
all in this
smell
mask
like-
right here. Buddy, at the North Market. What are they selling over there? U.S. soccer store? Okay.
Tasty though, that whole little setup like that.
I need to lock my door. Yeah, we don't want nobody rummaging through the car, man. People been rummaging through people's cars.
I know, they do mine. My car door's unlocked though.
For real, people be rummaging through your car.
Ain't nothing in there, so it'll be funny every time I get in there and I just see that they thought they had to come up.
The
And
fact
really
that
ain't have
she's
nothing. I don't keep nothing in my car. Nothing. Except my sweet sweat.
what?
And my sweet sweat, my wrap, my belt. Don't nobody be taking that.
They like this sorry ass thing.
Man, they be scrambling.
Yeah, we at the North Market. This is a little market out here in Columbus in the short north. And you said it's so like regular though, like yeah, they rummaged through my car.
Spicy.
Ooh, spicy. This is what we love right here, y'all. Jenny's. We get that every time.
Perfect.
Look at the fall tree.
Aww. Do you want to do Mediterranean?
Is it good? Let's just walk around and then
Okay.
kind of get a feel for what we want.
Because I've been saying I want to try this other place, but I haven't seen it yet. So I'm like, I want to find it. We've never been to the Bear and Bottle, but it's not time. This isn't the time. But I never knew it was
I don't know, fam.
cheese.
Cheesy. Lemon squeezy. Creasel? Does that say creasel?
Fine.
Ooh, Dos Hermanos. They just had this at the taco festival. No, I didn't taste it. You like it?
Is it Tuesday?
Is it Taco Tuesday? What is that?
Ramen. A ramen bar.
Is it good? Have you had it?
I have not had it, and it looks really good.
Should we try the ramen, guys?
Let's go see what they're saying. Or should we keep walking?
Let's keep walking.
Okay. I wonder what's coming next. Blocks. Bagels. Ooh, see, just in here is just too much goody goodness.
You remember that donut place used to be right here?
Yes. No, that's a donut place.
Oh, they got a pastry factory now. Let's see what they got right here, y'all. It doesn't really look too... I don't really like brownies with nuts on it. And I don't like when cookies, like chocolate chip cookies, look too light. I need some dark. I need some flavor. Okay. Ooh, the ribs. Is this soul food?
Dang, that's crispy.
Day hair check. And I'm capturing pictures too while we was doing that.
Really?
Ain't that cute? Ain't that cute?
Fria. Dang, Jonna, look at these pepper trees.
Oh,
Oh, that's a stuffed banana pepper.
It has feta cheese and prosciutto. And then we got the pepper shooters, cherry pepper stuffed with provolone and prosciutto. Balsamic roasted mushrooms, oven roasted beets, tomato and fresh mozzarella, tomato and cucumber salad. Dang, they got so much stuff in here, y'all. How are we supposed to choose just one thing? Ooh, Nakai, look at all of these ravioli.
Yes. Look at all of them. Lobster ravioli. Oh my goodness.
Ooh, I like those little stripes.
Striped for cheese. Smoked chicken. Oh my goodness. Butternut. These are filled with all that goodie.
Veal and truffle ravioli. Smoked chicken ravioli. Oh, this is right here.
Bubbles.
I don't believe so.
Hoyoku's Kitchen. That's the new black owner that came here, bro.
Pardon me. Everybody's so friendly today.
Nidas.
Nah, we had that before. I don't care for it. I don't think so. Dang, my camera's dying. Peace out, y'all. My camera's dying. We got to record on the iPhone.
You gotta show me this. Look at the octopus.
Ooh, that looks like somebody we know. Close to local.
So this is the Mediterranean.
Is this baklava?
Is that the dessert?
I think.
I've never tasted any of the dessert because I never knew which one to get or try. But they all look very delectable.
Hi, it's nice to see you. What are these desserts over here? Yeah. Ooh, y'all. I'm definitely getting. How do you pronounce this, Nakai? Spiritos?
I don't know.
I think it's Spiritos. I think that's what we're getting. Nakai, what you think? Is this what we're eating?
You can definitely eat there. I think that's what amazed you the most. I'm
Yes.
gonna come look at yolk bowls really quick.
She knows me. She said that's what amazed me the most.
Yes. that's
She knows
I
me
just want to
very
come
well.
look at this because it's just newer.
Oh, this right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah, this does look like BB Bob.
What's the last one?
Oreos, tissues. What country is that? Oh, that's Somalia.
Oh, it's Somalia.
I think that's Somalia. Right there on the rhino's horn.
Make sure I have a cup for this.
Oh yeah, Somali chai tea.
See?
Yep. Yes, sir. You gotta know your geography. She chomping on them nuts. see the little nut place right here, y'all. American Nut.
Oh, I love the elephant.
American Nut Company.
It just makes sense.
It makes sense. So extra.
But I know what you love the most.
You know what I want.
What was the Jesus? What is it?
And he just put some onions on our joint. Cause that one right there will be just love. Yeah, we're ready. Okay, you order first. She's gonna order first since she's been here before.
Can I do half yellow, half veggie rice? Yes. Can I have salmon?
I think I want the red rice. It's just something about red rice. It just reminds me of Mexican rice.
Just a small veggie.
So I think that's Algerian spicy rice. That's what I'm getting.
Yeah, that one took me out.
It was hot.
It's good. You're gonna like it.
Okay.
I can't deal with it now.
She can't deal with the spice, y'all. She gotta stay out the kitchen.
Oh, he coming for you.
Okay. Can I get the Algerian spicy rice and also half saffron rice?
Yes, that's what I did the first time. And it was amazing.
But it was too spicy for you.
No, nothing too spicy. I just have to be in the mood for spice. I've never tasted. This one looks like the best roasted. Just it's fully cooked.
Can I get the chicken kebab? I kind of want the kebab, bro. Which one do you like best, the kebab or the Moroccan? Kebab? Okay.
Yes, kebab.
Okay, I'll take the kebab. So I'm gonna get the kebab. And that looks so good, you guys.
It's so fresh. Don't it all look just so fresh?
Yeah. Wait, we get to add
They make
more
those,
onto
you
it?
get a salad, and then you get hummus with pita bread, and it comes with it.
Oh, wow. This
like
is
a
a
whole
whole
meal.
meal. This is crazy.
It's
Okay.
amazing.
Yes. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Hummus, both. You have to.
I'm not getting hummus. I don't like hummus.
Oh, never mind. Just hummus for me. Just for me.
Yeah, I don't like hummus.
No, that's
is
mine.
hers.
I want hummus. Do you like the tzatziki? No, just hummus.
That's what I want. I want the tzatziki.
I want hummus. You trying the tzatziki?
I like tzatziki sauce. That's what they put on gyros.
And a pita bread. Yeah.
And I want the tzatziki. And the pita bread. Thank you. Yeah, my man. Y'all, look who she say our favorite. Okay. I'll take that. Comment down below if y'all agree. This is our food. I got the chicken kebab, the salad, the tzatziki, all that good stuff. Nakai got the salmon, the hummus, and it's about to go down, y'all. It's about to go down. We just worked out. Now we're about to eat good. Peace.
Of course he wanted a taco from his owner, but when I tell you this owner, he only listened to the owner, like nobody else at the market, at the festival existed.
Oh, he was just looking up at him, huh, the whole time?
He was sitting in the line, like you know how you in the line and you waiting, like moving up a little bit by a little bit.
Not Chicago calling me. Alright. Let's
And
dig
that shit
in.
really gooey.